Hello to all of the students. Students, today let us see about the polymer polyester. I welcome to all of the students in the synthesis and application of polyester polymer. Students, the polyester polymers are those polymers which contain COO ester linkage in their structure. You already know the ester linkage, that is the COO linkage is there, which is present in polyester polymers. Students, these polyester polymers are mostly prepared from the organic alcohols which contain two or more OH group in their structure, and the carboxylic which contain minimum two COH group in their structures. That means the alcohols which are dihydric alcohol or trihydric alcohol, that are known as diols or triol, they are used as monomer, and the carboxylic acid which contain minimum two COH group in their structure are used as monomers in the formation of polyester polymer. And this polymerization process is a condensation polymerization, because during this polymerization small molecules like H2O are given out. Such type of polymerization in which small molecules like water are removed is known as condensation polymerization. Therefore, during formation of polymers, as water molecule is eliminated, therefore it is polyesters are condensation polymers which are obtained by the process of condensation polymerization. The most useful polyester polymer is polyethylene terephthalate, and another best example is Gliptal. This polyethylene terephthalate is prepared by using two monomers, terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol, and Gliptal is prepared by using phthalic anhydride and trihydric alcohol, that is glycerol. Now let us see about the preparation of polyethylene terephthalate. But firstly, before that, let us see who is polyethylene terephthalate. It is a polyester polymer, and it is synthesized from terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. Let us see what is the structure of PET is shown on screen. Its IUPAC name polyethylene terephthalate. Molecular formula C10H8O to the base N, and monomers are terephthalic acid which is a dicarboxylic acid, and ethylene glycol, it is a dihydric alcohol, that is diol. Let us see the preparation of PET. Now this PET is prepared by bulk condensation polymerization process. In this polymerization process, terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol as a monomers are used, but instead of terephthalic acid, you can also use dimethyl terephthalate. You can see on a screen that terephthalic acid contains two COOH group on two carbons of aromatic ring, but these carbons are on opposite direction in a ring. And ethylene glycol contains two OH group bonded with two carbons. Now OH from both of the COOH group of terephthalic acid are removed, and hydrogen from both the OH of ethylene glycol are removed in such a way H and OH gives to the formation of H2O, and H2O molecule is liberated. After that, you can get a polymer OC, that is C double bond O, aromatic ring CO, then OCH2CH2O. That means you have to join the two parts that are obtained after removal of two OH group and two hydrogens from two OH of the ethylene glycol. By joining these two parts, you get CO aromatic ring COO CH2CH2O. To the base here, this is polyester PET polymer. After that, students, let us see about the glyptal. Glyptal is also one of the polyester polymer, but here it is obtained by the phthalic anhydride and glycerol as a monomer. Glycerol, you know, it is a trihydric alcohol containing 3 OH group in its structure, and anhydride, you know, it contains oxygen linked on both sides with different or same two groups with same similar groups which are bonded with aromatic ring. Now let us see how it is formed by polymerization of two monomers, phthalic anhydride and glycerol. Phthalic anhydride aromatic ring, the two adjacent carbon of aromatic ring bonded with C double bond O, C double bond O, and both of the carbons of this C double bond O, that is carbonyl carbons, are joined with oxygen. This is phthalic anhydride. Glycerol, you can see that it contains 3 OH group in their structure. During the formation of this glyptal resin, there is breaking of one of the CO bond. One of the CO bond breaks down and the ring opens like this. You can see here. After that, one of the carbon of aromatic ring bonded with C double bond O, and the beside carbon is bonded with COO. After that, this OH is given out, this OH is also given out, and this hydrogen is given out to form the water molecules. On joining, you can see that CH2, CH, CH2O. In such a way, CH2, CH, CH2O get bonded with this CO, and the another phthalic anhydride molecule get bonded with this second carbon with the help of ester linkage COO. In such a way, there is formation of glyptal resin. Students, this glyptal resin has so many applications in industries and also in our daily life. This PET also is one of the important condensation polymer. It has also great importance in industries and in decors also. Students, now today let us see about the application of polyester polymer, that is polyester resin. I already told you it is prepared from organic acid and alcohols. But after preparation, you will see that this polyester, it includes in 3 forms: liquid, gel, and in film form. Due to this property, it is useful in many of the industries. In architect, it is useful. It is useful for builders, engineers, designers. And also one of the property of this polymer is that it is lightweight, weatherproof, Therefore, it is useful in many of the applications. It is also useful in building houses, prefabricated shower stalls. It is useful in prefabricated shower stalls, and closest fixtures are often made of a mixture of polyester resin and acrylic, and decorative metal pieces are often gel coated with polyester resin based colorant to match the decor. Now colorants are one of the type of dye or pigment, or we can say it is any substance that imparts color. Therefore, it is a dye or pigment that is known as colorant. And shower stalls means it is an individual compartment or self-contained unit having single shower and accommodating only one person, that are known as shower stalls. This polyester is useful in prefabricated shower stalls. After that, many decorative architectural details such as columns and balustrades. The balustrades means a screen to prevent people from falling over the edge of balconies. Therefore, a polyester sheet is used in balconies to prevent the fall of people from the edge of balconies in apartments and at our home also. Now, polyester resins is also used as an adhesive because it has an adhesive property. It is used in adhesive layers of fiberglass in the construction of body panels for automobiles, airplanes, and boats. As it is light-weighted, it makes it ideal for racing cars and light-weight planes. But due to its high rate of water retention, has caused it to fall out of favor with boat builders, and it has been mostly replaced in that capacity by epoxy resins. It is also useful in packaging. In luggages, suitcases and briefcases often contain polyester resin panels that are reinforced by fabric or leather to make them attractive. So students, in such a way, polyester fiber or polyester polymer is used in industries in manufacture of different types of appliances, are also in the coatings and packagings also.